Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Forceful Anime. Today we are back with a brand new fanfic. Video title: Naruto faces the Eclipse Order. Hana's dark power awakens fearful Naruto fanfic. If you enjoy this fanfic, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon for more amazing anime fanfics. And now, let's begin the story. The Hidden Leaf village Konoha was quieter than usual. Too quiet. Even the wind seemed hesitant to move through the streets, as if something unseen had already claimed the air. Inside the Hokage office, Tsunade stood by the window, her sharp eyes scanning the village below. Another one missing, she muttered. An Umbu agent knelt behind her. No signs of struggle. Just gone. Tsunade clenched her fist. This is the fourth this week. Before she could say more, the door slammed open. Hey, old lady. Naruto Uzumaki burst in, followed by a nervous Hana and her brother Yugo. Tsunade didn't even turn. You ever learn how to knock? Naruto grinned. Nope. But his smile faded when he saw her expression. Something's wrong, isn't it? Tsunade turned slowly. Very. Warning sign, a dangerous truth. Minutes later, the room grew tense. Hana stood in the center, fidgeting. I didn't mean to, she whispered. Naruto crossed his arms. Just tell her what happened. Hana took a breath. There was a man, wearing a mask. Naruto's eyes narrowed. Kachan. He attacked us, Yugo added. But not like a normal ninja. He didn't use jutsu like others. Hana looked down at her trembling hands. He pulled something out of me. The room went silent. Tsunade stepped forward. What exactly do you mean? Hana hesitated. Chakra. Naruto stiffened. Bavandar the unstable power. Tsunade placed her hand near Hana's shoulder, sensing her chakra. Her expression changed instantly. This isn't normal. Naruto frowned. What do you mean? Tsunade stepped back. Her chakra network is mutating. Yugo panicked. Is that bad? Tsunade didn't sugarcoat it. If it continues, she could lose control. Hana's voice trembled. Am I becoming a monster? Before anyone could answer, Naruto stepped forward. No. Everyone looked at him. He met her eyes, calm and steady. You're still you. Hana's lips trembled. But what if I hurt someone? Naruto smiled faintly. Then I'll stop you. A pause. Not alone. Together. For the first time, Hana felt something she hadn't felt since the attack. Hope. The hidden enemy. Far from the village. Deep underground. A chamber lit by dim blue flames revealed a group of cloaked figures. At the center stood Kachan. And before him, a man whose presence alone bent the air. Report. The man said calmly. Kachan bowed. Both targets confirmed. And the Nine-Tails host is stronger than expected. The man chuckled softly. Good. He stepped forward, his glowing eyes visible beneath the hood. The vessel and the anomaly. Both are essential. Kachan raised his head. What are your orders? A cold silence filled the room. Then, prepare the extraction team. The temperature seemed to drop. This time, we don't observe. A faint, chilling smile formed. We take them. Training begins. Back in Konoha, Naruto stood alone in the training ground. His fists clenched tightly. I couldn't even touch him. Chains. Absorption. That overwhelming pressure. I was useless. You're thinking too much. Naruto turned. Leaning casually against a tree was Kakashi Hatake. Naruto smirked. Yo, Kakashi sensei. Kakashi's visible eye curved. Heard you got beaten pretty badly. Naruto scratched his head. Yeah, tell me everything. After listening carefully, Kakashi nodded. Chakra absorption. Naruto sighed. So what do I do? Kakashi stepped closer. You adapt. Naruto blinked. That's it. Kakashi shook his head. If your enemy can absorb chakra, then stop depending on it. Naruto's expression sharpened. Taijutsu. Not just that. Kakashi pointed at him. You need control. Naruto froze. Control. Kakashi's voice lowered. And that includes the Nine Tails. Naruto looked down. That was the hardest battle of all. Amavasya, the first sign. Later that night, Hana woke up suddenly. Her body felt wrong. Her veins glowed faintly beneath her skin. What's happening? A dark aura flickered around her. Her breathing became unstable. I can't control it. Outside her window, a shadow moved, watching, waiting. A whisper echoed in the darkness. Soon, the night over Konoha was calm. Too calm. The moon hung high, casting pale light over the village, but beneath that peaceful glow, danger had already arrived. Amavasya shadows enter the leaf. At the village border, three cloaked figures appeared silently. No sound, no chakra presence, almost like ghosts. One of them spoke in a low voice. Barrier confirmed. Minimal resistance. Another raised their hand. Begin infiltration. In the next second, they vanished. Hannah's breaking point. Inside the medical room, Hannah suddenly jolted awake. Her breathing was heavy. Her vision blurred. Number, not again. Dark chakra flickered around her body, unstable, violent. Her veins glowed faintly. Outside, a shadow moved past the window. Then, crack. The glass shattered. Hannah gasped. Three figures stepped inside. Cold, silent, terrifying. Warning sign, the extraction begins. Target confirmed, one of them said. Hannah's heart pounded. Who are you? No answer, only movement. One of them lunged forward. Fast. Hannah reacted instinctively. A burst of dark chakra exploded from her body. Boom. The entire room shook. The attackers paused. Interesting, one whispered. But then, chains of black energy shot forward, wrapping around Hannah. She screamed, I can't move. High voltage Naruto arrives. At that exact moment, get away from her. The wall exploded inward. Debris flew everywhere. Standing in the opening, Naruto Uzumaki. His eyes burned with anger. You picked the wrong target. The cloaked figures didn't react. Instead, two of them turned toward Naruto. Secondary target confirmed. Naruto clenched his fists. So you're with Kajin. No reply, only killing intent. Battle ignites. Naruto rushed forward. No hesitation, no fear. His fist collided with one of them. But, phase. The attack passed through like smoke. What? The second attacker struck from behind. Naruto barely blocked. Damn, they were fast. Too fast. And then, Naruto felt it. His chakra, being pulled. Again. The same ability. Absorption. Naruto jumped back. TCH, this is annoying. Bavandar Hannah loses control. Behind them, Hannah struggled against the chains. I can't breathe. Her chakra surged wildly. Unstable. Exploding. Let me go. Crack. The chains began to break. The attackers turned. Energy spike increasing. Proceed faster. But it was too late. Fire the awakening. Hannah screamed. And the room exploded in dark energy. A shockwave blasted everything away. Naruto skidded back. What the? When the dust cleared, Hannah stood there. But something was different. Her eyes, glowing. Her aura, dark, wild, uncontrolled. Almost like a beast. Hannah, Naruto said cautiously. She didn't respond. Instead, she disappeared. Fast, too fast. She appeared in front of one attacker. And struck. Boom. The enemy crashed through the wall. Naruto's eyes widened. She's stronger than me right now. Warning sign, danger turns inward. But then, Hannah turned toward Naruto. Her expression, empty. Naruto, she whispered. Then, she attacked. Naruto barely dodged. Hey, it's me. Another attack. Faster, more violent. Naruto blocked but was pushed back hard. She's not in control. Naruto's decision. Naruto clenched his teeth. I can't fight her seriously. But I can't let her hurt anyone either. Behind him, the attackers regrouped. Perfect. Both targets unstable. Capture probability increased. Naruto glanced at them. Damn it. Two problems. One choice. Power within. Naruto closed his eyes for a second. Guess I don't have a choice. A red aura slowly began to form around him. The power of the nine tails. Kurama stirred within. Well, this is interesting. Kurama's voice echoed. Naruto smirked slightly. Yeah, help me out. Kurama chuckled. Don't lose control, brat. Naruto opened his eyes, now glowing. High voltage clash of chaos. Hana rushed again. Naruto moved, matching her speed. Their clash shook the entire building. Boom! Energy exploded outward. The attackers watched silently. This confirms it. The anomaly is evolving faster than predicted. Call reinforcement. A pause. Then, no. A chilling answer. We finish this now. The battlefield had turned into chaos. Broken walls, cracked ground, violent chakra filling the air. At the center of it all, Naruto and Hana. High voltage clash of two powers. Hana moved like a shadow. Fast, unpredictable, dangerous. Her glowing eyes locked onto her target. Naruto. Before he could respond, she attacked again. Boom. Their fists collided midair, sending a shockwave through the ruined building. Naruto slid back, his feet digging into the ground. She's getting stronger, he muttered. The red chakra cloak around Naruto Uzumaki flickered as Kurama's power surged within him. But even then, Hana wasn't slowing down. Amavasya mind lost in darkness. Inside her mind, Hana was falling. Endless darkness surrounded her. Voices echoed. Cold. Manipulative. Let go. Stop resisting. You were never in control. Hana covered her ears. No. Stop. But the darkness only grew stronger. A shadow formed in front of her. A twisted version of herself. You're weak, it whispered. I'm not. You are. The shadow smiled. And I'll prove it. Warning sign outside battle intensifies. Back in reality, Hana's power spiked again. Her aura exploded outward. Naruto's eyes widened. Again, she vanished and reappeared behind him. Too fast. Her strike landed. Boom. Naruto crashed through debris, coughing. Okay. He stood up slowly. This is getting serious. Naruto's resolve. Naruto wiped blood from his lip. I can't just dodge forever. He looked at her, not as an enemy, but as someone lost. I have to reach her. Kurama's voice echoed inside him. You're hesitating. Naruto smirked slightly. Yeah, but I'm not fighting to win. A pause. I'm fighting to save her. Kurama went silent, then chuckled. Hey, you never change. The hunters move. Meanwhile, the cloaked attackers observed calmly. Emotional interference detected. Hostile hesitation confirmed. Proceed. A new voice answered. Cold. Authoritative. Proceed. The air shifted. A fourth figure appeared. Stronger. He stepped forward slowly. Enough observation. His gaze locked onto both Naruto and Hana. Capture them. Revolving light reinforcements arrive. Before the attackers could move, a blur flashed across the battlefield. Sorry I'm late. A calm voice. Lazy, yet sharp. Standing between Naruto and the enemies. Kakashi Hatake. Naruto smirked. Took you long enough. Kakashi scratched his head. Got lost on the way. Even now, he joked. But his visible eye was deadly serious. I'll handle them. Naruto nodded. Thanks. High voltage elite V's copy ninja. The Eclipse order moved instantly. Two attackers rushed Kakashi. Fast. But, Kakashi vanished. Too slow. He appeared behind them, lightning crackling in his hand. Reikiri. Chidori. The strike landed. But, Uddharan Chinha Alpiram Vismayadibodhak Chinha Uddharan Chinha. It passed through. Phase ability again. Kakashi's eye narrowed. Intangibility, and chakra absorption. Troublesome. Fire Naruto vs Hana final clash. Meanwhile, Naruto faced Hana again. She stood still, but her power was spiraling out of control. Naruto, her voice echoed, distorted. Leave. Before I hurt you. Naruto stepped forward. I'm not going anywhere. She clenched her fists. Why? Her chakra exploded violently. I can't control it. She rushed him. Full power. Naruto didn't dodge. Instead, he stepped forward and grabbed her. Everyone froze. Dil Tootna breaking through. Hana struggled violently. Let go. Naruto held on tighter. I said no. His voice echoed louder than the chaos. You're not alone. Her movement slowed. What? Naruto looked straight into her glowing eyes. I know this feeling. That fear. That anger. His grip softened slightly. But running from it won't help. A pause. We face it. Together. Amavasya inside Hana's mind. The darkness trembled. The shadow version of Hana frowned. Impossible. Light began to break through. The real Hana looked up. Naruto. His voice echoed. You're still you. Tears formed in her eyes. I am. The shadow screamed. No. But it was fading. Breaking apart. High voltage power stabilizers. Back in reality. Hana's aura began to calm. Her glowing eyes slowly returned to normal. Her body went weak. Naruto caught her. Got you. She looked up at him, exhausted. Thank you. Revolving light, a new threat emerges. But the moment didn't last. Clap, clap, clap. A slow applause echoed. Everyone turned. Standing above the Razroset building. Kachan. And beside him, the mysterious leader. His presence alone froze the battlefield. Impressive, he said calmly. His eyes locked onto Naruto. And dangerous. Naruto stepped forward protectively. You're the one behind this. The man smiled faintly. Yes. And now, his aura surged, overwhelming. We'll take what we came for. The battlefield fell into a deadly silence. Dust floated in the air. Broken walls surrounded them. And above it all, two figures stood like gods of destruction. Kachan. And beside him, the leader of the Eclipse Order. Amavasya, the pressure of a monster. The moment he stepped forward, the air itself became heavy. Naruto's instinct screamed. Danger. Pure. Overwhelming danger. Naruto Uzumaki clenched his fists, stepping in front of Hana. Stay behind me. Hana, still weak, nodded slowly. Okay. Beside them, Kakashi Hatake narrowed his eye. Naruto. Yeah, this one's different. Naruto smirked faintly. I figured. The leader moves. Without warning, the leader disappeared. Not fast. Not like a ninja. It was as if he simply wasn't there anymore. Uddharan Chinha Alpiram Vismayadibodhak Chinha Uddharan Chinha. Naruto's eyes widened. Then, a hand grabbed his throat. Crack. He was lifted off the ground instantly. Too slow, the leader said calmly. Naruto struggled. His chakra flared. But, it began to vanish. Chakra, absorption, stronger than Kachan's. Kakashi intervenes. Let him go. A sharp voice cut through. Lightning erupted. Kakashi appeared behind the leader. Reikiri. Chidori. The strike landed directly. But, it stopped. Midair. The leader caught it. Barehanded. Impressive. He said. Then, boom. A shockwave blasted outward. Kakashi was thrown back violently, crashing into the ground. Kakashi sensei. Naruto roared. And the leader released him. Naruto landed hard, coughing. This guy is insane. Fire Kachan joins the fight. Meanwhile, Kachan stepped forward. His chains of dark energy appeared again. You've improved, he said coldly. Naruto wiped his mouth. I won't lose again. Kachan smirked. Try. The chains shot forward. Fast. Naruto dodged, but one wrapped around his arm. Got you. Naruto felt it instantly. His chakra draining again. TCH. Kurama's power unleashed. Inside, Kurama growled. This is getting annoying. Naruto smirked. Then let's stop holding back. A surge. A massive explosion of red chakra burst outward. The chains snapped. Kachan's eyes widened slightly. Interesting. Naruto's aura changed. More intense. More controlled. Eyes glowing. This time, Naruto said quietly. I'm not getting beaten. High voltage full power clash. Naruto rushed forward. Speed unmatched. His punch connected. Boom. Kajun was sent flying. For the first time, he was pushed back. Naruto didn't stop. He chased, attacking relentlessly. No hesitation, no fear. Each strike, stronger than the last. Amavasya, the truth revealed. Meanwhile, the leader turned his gaze toward Hana. So this is the anomaly. Hana froze. Who are you? He stepped closer. You were never meant to exist. Naruto's eyes snapped toward him. What? The leader continued calmly. Her power is not natural. A pause. It was created. Silence. Hana's voice trembled. Created. The origin of power. The leader's eyes glowed faintly. Years ago, we experimented on chakra evolution. Naruto's fists clenched. You mean? Yes. He looked directly at Hana. You are the result. Her world shattered. No, your power was designed to surpass all limits. To absorb, adapt, and evolve. Naruto shouted. Shut up. But the damage was done. Tears fell from Hana's eyes. I'm not human. Dil tootna emotional collapse. Her chakra began to shake again. Unstable. Breaking. I'm just an experiment. Darkness started to rise again. Naruto rushed toward her. Hana, don't listen to him. But the leader raised his hand. And a force stopped Naruto mid-step. Stay out of this. Warning sign, a critical injury. Behind him, Kakashi stood up slowly, breathing heavily. Naruto, I'll handle this. His Sharingan spun rapidly. Kakashi Hatake formed hand signs. Kamui. Space began to distort around the leader. But, the leader turned, and in an instant, he was in front of Kakashi. Too slow, his hand pierced forward, through Kakashi's chest. Silence. Naruto's eyes widened in horror. No, Kakashi coughed blood. Hair. Guess. I really was late. He collapsed. NNOOOO. Naruto screamed. Fire rage ignites. Something broke inside Naruto. His chakra exploded violently. More than before. More dangerous. More uncontrollable. Kurama's voice echoed. Careful, Naruto. But Naruto's voice was cold. I'll kill him. The air trembled. The ground cracked. Even Kajun stepped back slightly. This pressure. The leader smiled faintly. Now this is what I was waiting for. Jwalamukhi war begins. Naruto looked up, eyes burning with rage. You wanted me. Come take me. The leader stepped forward. Gladly. Two monsters faced each other. The battlefield, about to explode. Naruto Uzumaki stood still, but the energy around him was anything but calm. A violent cloak of chakra surrounded his body, wild, destructive. His eyes glowed with fury. Kakashi sensei, he muttered. Behind him, Kakashi Hatake lay motionless, blood staining the ground. Naruto's fists trembled. You're dead. His voice was cold, empty. The leader of the Eclipse Order smiled faintly. If that is what it takes to awaken you. Kurama's warning. Inside Naruto's mind, Kurama growled. You're losing yourself. Naruto didn't respond. You fight like this, you'll destroy everything, even her. A pause. Hana's face flashed in Naruto's mind. Weak, broken, crying. Naruto. His rage cracked. Just slightly. TCH. Kurama smirked. There it is. Use my power. But don't let it use you. Naruto exhaled slowly. Right. The chakra around him began to change. Still powerful. But now, controlled. Final battle begins. The leader stepped forward. Show me. Naruto vanished. Speed beyond sight. He reappeared. Punching forward. Boom. The leader blocked. But slid back. For the first time, he moved. Impressive. Naruto didn't stop. Kick. Strike. Counter. The battlefield exploded with every clash. Shockwaves tore through the surroundings. High voltage Kajun's last stand. Meanwhile, Kajun rushed in from the side. Chains ready. You won't interfere, he said. But, too late. A blur intercepted him. It was Hana. Her eyes were still glowing faintly. But now, they were clear, controlled. I'm not running anymore. Kajun smirked. Good. then break. Chains shot forward, but Hana raised her hand and absorbed them. Silence. Kajan's eyes widened. What? Hana stepped forward. You said I was created to evolve. Her aura intensified. Then I'll use it my way. She vanished and struck. Boom. Kajan was launched into the ground. Amavasya, the truth of Eclipse Order. Back in the Mare battle, Naruto clashed with the leader again. Why are you doing this? Naruto shouted. The leader answered calmly. To create perfection. Naruto gritted his teeth. By destroying people. By evolving them. A pause. Your world fears growth. We embrace it. Naruto roared. This isn't growth. Another massive clash shook the battlefield. Tucker breaking the limit. The leader raised his hand. A massive sphere of compressed energy formed. This ends now. Naruto gathered chakra, combining his own with Kurama's. A Rasengan formed, but different, darker, stronger. Then let's finish it. They charged, straight at each other. Jwalamukhi final impact. Eclipse core. Rasengan. They collided, and the world exploded. A blinding flash consumed everything. Silence followed. Surya's aftermath. The dust slowly settled. The battlefield, destroyed. At the center, Naruto stood, breathing heavily. In front of him, the leader knelt, defeated. Impossible, he whispered. Naruto looked down at him. It's over. The leader smiled faintly. No, a pause. This is only the beginning. His body began to fade, disintegrating into particles. We will return. And then, he was gone. A painful reality. Naruto turned quickly. Kakashi sensei. He ran toward him. Hana followed. He's still breathing, she said. Naruto dropped to his knees. Stay with us. Kakashi's eye opened slightly. You did good. Naruto clenched his fist. Don't talk like that. Kakashi gave a faint smile. Guess I'll have to read the ending later. His eye closed again. But he was alive. Barely. Cherry Blossom, a new beginning. Days later, Konoha began to recover. The damage was heavy, but the village still stood. Inside the hospital, Hana sat quietly. Naruto stood beside her. You okay? She nodded slowly. I think so. A pause. I'm not a monster, right? Naruto smiled. No, you're you. She smiled faintly. Thanks. Fire, and that's where this chapter of Naruto's journey comes to an end. The Eclipse Order has retreated, but the real war is just beginning. Hana has gained control over her power, but her true potential is still unknown. And Naruto has taken one step closer to mastering the power within him. But the biggest question remains. Who are the true leaders of the Eclipse Order? Warning sign, and what is their final goal? If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to thumbs up ka chinha, like, speech balloon, comment, and bell. Subscribe to Forceful Anime for more epic Naruto fanfics. Tucker comment below. Ungli se dahini or ishara, should Hana unlock her full power in the next arc? Ungli se dahini or ishara, or should Naruto get a new transformation first? Fire next episode. Naruto vs the new vessel. Eclipse War arc begins. Until then, stay powerful, stay anime, and I'll see you in the next story.